Hi everyone, Jose from Farouk speaking. Today I'm going to show you how you can trade 8 to 10 ticks every single day and grow your trading account exponentially. Okay, exponentially you can increase your account just by trading our simple TradeSimple system. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking you through the trades that you could have taken today in the Nasdaq and the FDAX and how much money you could have traded by just having $1,500 in your account and making $80 on the Nasdaq and the $120 in FDAX. Okay, you could have made $200 by just having $1,500 in your account. Okay, I'm going to show you how you could have done that. Now, we generally start right at 8 o'clock. We don't look at any trades before then just because the volume picks up. And I'm going to take you through what trades you could have been in at this time. If you were trading before, this could have been a trade. You could trade this. This is a permission trade, especially with a breakout. A breakout is a breakout of resistance. Now, resistance is marked by this line here. It also helps because these swing points are here as well. So when that's broken out and you get a candle, this is called a clarity diamond. When that forms and this thing closes, you put a buy order here and you get out at 8 ticks. In the Nasdaq, it's right here. Okay, 8 ticks. So let me erase all this and show you where the first trade of the day would have been. And we're gonna go into this basically how we would have traded it. Now, this right here is broken support, so you do not trade broken support to the upside. Okay, so now you're only looking for it to come back up and create another higher high. Okay, this is what we'd be looking for if that were to happen, or we're waiting for a bounce off of this solid line. Okay, now this touched the solid line here, so this is technically a trade that you could have taken. But this is more risky because I would expect it to come and retrace a little bit more. And considering that it's hit broken support, I wouldn't have taken this trade. And that trade would have won anyway. And you wouldn't take any trades here. This is where your first trade would have been. Okay. So this right here, you get in right here. And you're waiting for, at this price here is 69.74.25. You're looking for 76.25 right here. If the price gets here, you win the trade. And there you go. Okay, that would have been your first 8 ticks on Nasdaq. Okay, now assuming that you stopped there, you would have made on one contract, just having $500 in your account, you would have made $5 times 8 ticks times 2 contracts. You would have made $80 right there. $80 USD. Okay, so that would have been an $80 move. Now, if you go into my past videos, we go through day to day. I'm going to be doing this every day to show you guys the results and what the chart looks like every single day, so you see that this happens every single day. And I'm going to go through also multiple charts to show you exactly what the chart ends up looking like. And here is another trade. Breaks off support right here and resistance. And this is breaking off and bouncing off of this solid line with a higher low. Okay, this is a trade right here, and if you had taken that trade, let me just erase all these lines here. Oops, wrong icon. If you had taken that trade, you would have been taking it at 77.25 to 79.25 right there, and you would have barely made it, but you would have made it right there. Profit target. That's 16 ticks profit. You would have made $160 just by having $1,000 in your account. Okay, so next trade is, let's just go see what's happening here. Okay, so this right here is the 3-tail pattern. Okay, so this right here, you wouldn't trade. Now, number one, there's no signal to go up, so you wouldn't be trading up. When you see a pattern like this, you take a trade right here. Okay, to the downside, a 3-tail pattern. 1, 2, 3 tail. That's what we call it. When you see that pattern, you take a trade to the downside. Let me just get rid of all these drawings and see where this would have happened. Now, guys, we're going to live through the market. 69.83.25 is where you would have entered. 69.81.25 is where you would have exited. Let's see if the price got there. Right there. Okay, 81.25 right there. And that's another 8 ticks. That's 24 ticks you've made. So if you're trading 2 contracts, 2 times 5 times 24. You would have made $240 just on the Nasdaq. Now remember, we trade the Nasdaq and the FDAX. So that's $240. Now we're trading 50, sometimes 55, sometimes 60 contracts. So times 8 times what was I gonna do? 5. Okay, you know, we're making. You've seen some of our videos where we're making $2,000, $1,700, $1,800 in one single trade, and you already saw 3 trades that happened already, all winners. So that's another trade right there. So this break supports we're not looking for. See, when this is support, and I want to make sure everybody understands. When this is support. When price comes here and it breaks that, even if it's a little bit like this, we are not entertaining long trades. Okay, the only way we are is if we see a candle like this, when the tail is touching this solid line. Okay, you'll get used to it. You'll see it very, very often. Every single day, the same trades happen every single day. When that happens, you take a trade. But this is not qualified, so you wouldn't take a trade. Even if you did, look, it's a winner. 69.83.25, 69.85.25. That's a winner right there. That's 4 trades you would have won, but we wouldn't take that trade. Okay, here is a trade. 69.86.25 to 88.25. Winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. That's how you say it. Okay. Now, see, this pattern occurs when this body of the white. Now, you'll see this often because we go through the rules and you're going to study this. You're going to see this very, very often where this, when it breaks support. Okay, so this is considered support right here and here. So when the price breaks that support, breaks this support, and the body of this white candle is on this line right here that you see running here. This line right here you see running. When the body of that candle is there, what you're doing is you're not trading on the upside. What you're doing is you're waiting for it to produce this candle. Because what you're assuming now is it's broken support, and because it's far away from this, what did I just do? Sorry. Okay, so I just found out it's a winning trade, but because it's far away from this, we're expecting this to come back and give it a little more space over here. So what you do is you take a trade at 69.83.25 and you go to 1.25. 69.81.25. Okay. And here's another 3-tail candlestick. You take a trade right here at 69.84.75. Okay, at the top side, just 86.75. There you go. Okay, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Now where are we off to? Okay, again, right here. See how I said? When the body of the candle touches it, you're waiting for this to come down and touch it as well. So just like that, this happened. This would be a trade at 77.25 to 75.25. Another winner. No loser so far. Another 3-tail pattern. You take it to the upside. Boom. Okay, 74.25 to 76.25. There's another 8 ticks. That's 6 winners. Okay, so if you're trading, that's about 8 trades that we saw there. That was a winner, not 6. And that means for every trade, you made $5 times 2 contracts that you're trading of the Nasdaq times 8 ticks. So every trade was $80. And now you just did 8 trades. If you were taking 8 trades, that's $640 just by having $1,000 in your brokerage account. Anyway. So that's that. I wanted to take you through Nasdaq as well. I'll show you how that performs. So let me just go through a few more here. Now, see, the Clarity Diamond is only qualified if it's on the white candlestick, and that's not the only qualifier as well. It's only qualified if it meets our other conditions that we go through in our back office. So make sure you visit our website. Okay. Okay, so here, there's another trade. It broke support, came back, white candle, 80.25 to 78.25. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, another 3-tail pattern, 81.75 to 83.75. Let's see if it gets there, and boom. Okay, that's 10 winners. Okay, I went through a video yesterday to show you guys this very thing. Here's another trade right here, breaks off support, which is created right here, breaks it off, so you're looking for south side trade, and boom, right there, 77.25 to 75.25. Okay, there, another trade right here, from 74.25 to 72.25. Boom. Okay. 11 winners right there. Another trade right here. Clarity Diamond broke off support. See, it touched support, broke it a little bit, and momentum is downwards. Clarity Diamond. Take a trade at 69.75, 67.75. Let's see if it won, and boom, it won. Okay, so many opportunities here. I mean, here's another three-tailed. Let's see if it won. Boom, it won from 66.75 to 64.75. Okay, so many opportunities here to trade, guys. There's no shortage. Even if you lost one trade, look how many times you could have won, and that's what you got to look at, how many times you can win. So many opportunities here. Let's look at the FDAX real quick and see what that could have done for us. So what are we at? 31st. Let's start right here. We trade at 8 o'clock. So let's start here. Let's wait till 8. No trades here. So let me just get rid of this. Okay, so FDAX money-wise, it works a little different. You make more for the same. This is a first trade right here at 13,218.0. For you to get to your profit target, it needs to go 4 points, which is 8 ticks. Because remember, each point is 2 ticks. So that means 4 points, which is at from where was I? 13,218.0 to 13,214.0. If it gets here, you've won the trade, and boom, right here. Okay. Now, when that happens, what happens is one contract makes you $15 per tick, times by 8 ticks that we're looking for, and that's how much you made USD on that one little trade between 8:35 and 8:46. In 15 minutes, you made 120 bucks just on that, on one contract. Okay. Now we'll look through how many trades there are. There could just be one trade, but I'm telling you, there's more than one trade. And look, we're gonna go through it right now. Keep going here. Okay, so nothing here. Oh, sorry. This is a trade right here because it touched the dash line. You take a trade at 212.0. You're looking for 9.0. Right? No, sorry. You're at 12.0. You're looking for 8.0. Okay, he reaches here. You got a profitable trade, and boom, 8.0. Okay, so this is the type of big candle I'm talking about. It's big. Wick. See, this is a very small wick, and that doesn't give you enough data to be like, okay, that's gonna be a good one. Okay, so it broke resistance, so we're not gonna be looking for short trades right now. If it's gonna be a short again, it's gonna be a lower high. So it's gonna be we're gonna wait for something like this. Okay, something like that. Or sorry, right here. We're gonna wait for this in this particular case. Okay, so let's see if that happens. Okay, so right there. This is a trade right here, and it's off this solid line, so 94 to 90, and that's your first 8 ticks. So literally, you've gone through 5 winning trades already. And on the FDAX, $15 times 8 equals on 81 contracts times 5. That's $600 right there. Okay, so you can see what my point is, how many trades there are, and how many trades that you could take. There's nothing here. Here's another Clarity Diamond at 91 to 87, and there you go, 87. Okay, right here. And then another trade right here at Clarity Diamond at 88 to 84, and there you go, 84. Okay, so many opportunities. That's the 8th trade. That's 8th winner. Another trade right here, 67 to 63. You got a winner. See, that's this right here. That's the circle right here. Okay. When it does that's this circle. Okay, so this circle, same thing as this circle. Okay. This is right there. Okay, that's what the FDAX. That's what it does. Beautiful, beautiful FDAX. Pays the bills. Thank you very much for watching, folks. If you have any questions, you know where to find us. Here's a 3-tailed pattern. You take it at 64 to 68. And there you go, 68. Okay, this is not rehearsed. You're seeing me go through this chart live. This is how the candles are painting live in the market. Okay? So, you're seeing it live in front of your eyes. Now, we have another trade that we don't go through here just because it's more for advanced traders. It's called the support and resistance trade. It's more a price action trade. where it's bouncing off places and turning in certain areas where the price has been before. Okay, so a few trades that would qualify would be this would be a trade, this would be a trade, this would be a trade downwards. Okay, this would be a trade. Now this is the 4 tail candle. Now number one, so let me take you through a loser. Okay, this is what a loser looks like, but this particular trade would be a loser, but it's picked up by the 4 tail candle pattern. What happens is, what that means is, if you see this, when this happens, you're told by us that this is a permission trade. Okay, that means you can take a trade here. That means you can take a trade here, expecting it to go to here. Okay, but it doesn't do that. It reverses on you. So where's your stop? That's your question now. Your stop for the FDAX is when you enter here at this point here, your stop goes right here at 86. So you're literally also losing 4 points, which is 8 ticks. So it's 1 for 1. All the winners you saw here are all 8 tick winners. Whatever losers you saw, which is only 1, which is here, was only an 8 tick loser. Okay, but what happens when this happens? When this happens and reverses, this is a 4 tail candle. This is even a stronger trade than the 3 tail candle. So what happens is, now that you lost that trade, you take a trade right here at 88, waiting for it to go to 82 right here. And there you go, 82. And you just recovered that 1 loser right here. Okay, and then you can go on and continue profiting as you wish. Right here is another trade. Touch the dash line and the solid line, and you're good to go. Okay. So there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Make sure you sign up for the webinar. Visit our website if you have any questions. You know where to find us. And here's another bounce trade. Here's another 3 tail candle trade, and here's another bounce trade. Here's another bounce trade here. Here's another Clarity Diamond trade right here. Another Clarity Diamond trade right here. And that's where we are right now. So this is live market. This is how it looks. I'll just leave it open for you guys to look at the market for a bit. We'll see how it moves. There's no volatility right now, so it's probably going to be slow, but I'll let you see how the market moves. Now, when you're in live market, you even see the price it needs to become for it to become the next bar. Okay, so for it to become white, you'll have a nice price marker here, and you'll have a price marker here. So for it to become white right now, the price has to hit 13,204. Okay, and then if it hits 13,204, it's gonna paint a white bar right here. But right now, it looks like it might hit closer to here. Okay, so let me see if the market is closed. 15, 59. Yeah, this market is closed right now, so it's not gonna move. But tomorrow, I plan on leaving the recorder on. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow just because I don't like trading with the recorder on. It slows down my computer, and I've lost trades because of it, and I do not want that to happen because I love my money. So anyways, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you know where to find us. Please like and subscribe to our page, and see you guys in the next video.